comment about these pre-flight requests. Remember that if the request is not safe or simple, we've got to do a pre-flight request, and the pre-flight gives us, what's allowed, the origin, the methods, the headers, that sort of thing. But you can see that they're duplicated, and that's kind of lame. So here's what we can do to save a little bit of effort and time. So I'm going to delete those, and I'm going to come up here. I already have the code. I'm going to put these decorators at app before request and at app after request. It will always do these or send these headers before each request and then after a request. So that's exactly what I want to have happen. This is my pre-flight right there. And then after as a pre-flight, I want it to load the session data. And then after request, so if I have this here correctly, I can actually get rid of this piece at the end of every one of my functions. But it's not going to hurt to leave it there. So let me hit save. Let's make sure this still works. And come back to this. And I'm going to refresh. Save color. Looks like it's working fine. Save color. Delete color. Whatever. So that might save us a little bit of time. You can use this at app before request and at app after request in your app to simplify your pre-flights. So I encourage you to do so.